What does this toiletry bag have to do with moving? Stick around and I will reveal that answer and more. I'm Casey DuBose, a realtor with RealtyEdge Brokers, and today I'm going to talk with you about moving. Now, if you're getting this video sent to you, you are in week 3 of your real estate contract, and while we are not close to moving, it is time to start planning for your move into your new home. If you have not started packing, it's probably time to get those boxes ready. We recommend that you pack all non-essential items first, and as you are doing so, make sure you label the boxes on all sides to include contents and what room the contents belong in. Why would you write on all the sides? First, it will help you identify the top and bottom of the boxes when moving, as those will not have writing on them. Secondly, no matter how you place the box in the moving truck or trailer, you will be able to read the label, and this will make carrying the boxes to the correct room much easier. Declutter. If you haven't used something in a while, consider donating the item, or better yet, having a yard sale to get rid of items you no longer use. Moving is expensive, and moving less items reduces the time, cost, and effort needed to move. Make a list of utilities that you need to transfer. If you are working with us, we will send you an email that provides the contact information for the utility companies associated with your new home. And now would be a great time to set a reminder in your phone for the day after closing that reads, "Have I canceled all utilities at my previous home?" Make a list of important contacts that will need your new address. Make a list of your current bills. The day after you move into your new home, you will want to update your billing address for all of your bills. You will also want to fill out a change of address form with the United States Postal Service. Don't forget to update your driver's license and your voter registration. Plan your move. How are you going to move your items to your new home? If you need to hire movers or rent a truck or trailer, make sure to inquire about their availability on the day that you will be moving. I'm speaking from experience on this topic. I once purchased furniture from an Amish furniture maker in Pennsylvania before I checked on the availability of a U-Haul trailer in the area. I spent a great deal more having those items shipped to me after I found out that there was no U-Haul available anywhere nearby. Keep your valuables and important papers separate from moving boxes, and if possible, take those items with you in your car when you move. Keep in mind that you're not transitioning to a hotel room, but to a new home. On the initial day, fatigue might set in, making it challenging to unpack everything. That is why you should carry a toiletry bag with your toothbrush, toothpaste, medicine, etc. Having a flashlight handy is a good idea in case you are moving items after dark in an unfamiliar yard. And don't forget to bring toilet paper and chargers for your phone. Remember that moving is exhausting and that you will need to have snacks and water available while you move. We're just a few weeks from opening the door to your new home. Use this time to plan your move, and it will ensure a smoother process down the road.